Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time seeing this channel. My name is Remy and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Today we're making 3-in-1 porridge. Yes, very delicious, and I want you to give this recipe a try after watching it. Without wasting any time, let's get into cooking proper. I have prepped all my ingredients, so this is not going to take any time at all. So I encourage you to watch till the end of the video. First, I'll go in with some vegetable oil, followed by onions and garlic, minced garlic. I'm just going to fry this till fragrant. 1 minute is enough. Remember, the garlic doesn't need to fry for too long, else it will burn and lose flavor. A little bit of curry powder and rosemary. I'll put the measurement in the description box. Fry for just a minute to build flavor. I have here chopped tomatoes, about 2 cups. I added that. I also have chopped red bell peppers and a bit of red scotch bonnet peppers, about 3. I added those and I will stir this and fry. This took about 5 minutes. As you know, the peppers and tomatoes are not pureed, so that made it fast. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That will make me happy. Thank you. 5 minutes later and the base is ready. This looks good and everywhere was smelling amazing at this point. So it's a good time to go in with the yam, which I already cut into cubes and washed. I will also add sweet potatoes and some ripe plantains. Still firm but ripe. I added some beef stock which I had already, and I will season with salt. There's no need to go in with, stock cube, because already you have sweet potatoes there, which is sweet, and you have ripe plantains, very sweet as well. So I cooked these for about 10 minutes, and this is 10 minutes later. So I'm going to mash, not completely. I love to have the slurry and the whole yams in there. The consistency of your yam porridge really depends on your preference, so make sure to do you. Plus, if you still want to add some stock cube to this, feel free. I know some of you like Maggi a lot, but this was so delicious without adding any stock cube. To finish this up and to add a bit more flavor, I chopped up some green bell peppers and I added that. I have to say, you don't have to use vegetable oil for this 3-in-1 yam, sweet potato and plantain porridge. You can use palm oil if that's what you want. I believe you can see how quickly this came together, not just because I prepped my ingredients, but because it is indeed a very quick meal to make, very nutritious and so yummy. I covered for about 5 minutes on very low heat and it is ready. I don't know about you, but every time I make porridge, be it yam, sweet potatoes or plantains, I cannot bring myself to put in proteins in that porridge. I always have to have a side dish, and that's where my proteins go. So I made some efforiro to go with this. It is the best way for me to enjoy porridge. So whether you call it porridge or pottage, please make sure to try this recipe. I am positive 100% that you're going to love it. Thank you everyone for watching. I will see you with another recipe soon. Bye bye.